Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm so excited. I'm back with a new bead company that I'm an ambassador for. They're called Lilah Ann Beads. So they're not a new company. They're just new to this channel. I've actually purchased from their eBay store several times. But they also have a web store, and it was founded by an 8-year-old artist in 2011. So she's probably, what, 19 now? But I'm so excited. They have a bunch of different stuff, and I'm going to kind of show you what came in the mail, and then we'll be creating with it this month. Let's see. Oh, there's a little box here. So I was told there are ready to go strands and mixes. There are clay things that we can make, and some other stuff. So let's take a look. All right, this box. Oh, what's in here? Okay, so two-part epoxy clay. Don't separate. So we have aqua, and so these are the 2 parts. That's awesome. So you can make your own clay beads. And we have deep pink. Oh, that's cool. And what else do we have in here? 2 little thingies. Oh, glitter. Oh, look. Isn't that cool? I love the pink. And we have, oh, my favorite color. We have turquoise. I don't know. It's like, it's looking blue, but it's turquoise. It's so pretty. And a deep purple glitter. Those are gorgeous, and they're huge jars of glitter. These will be great with polymer clay too. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And then let's see what this is. Oh, I think this is for making beaded beads. You can make beaded beads with this kit. So we have some dead soft craft wire. This is 24 gauge in silver. Very nice. We have some little silver bicone. Those are really shiny. I love that finish. We've got some huge bead caps. That's awesome. And they have, so this is the mini version of their newest wire wrapped bead making kit. And there's a tutorial with instructions on their YouTube channel, and I'll tag them in the description of this video. But look how huge these bead caps are. I wouldn't have to use them for this, but like, why wouldn't I? I'm gonna have to go watch that video, and then we'll have to make something on this channel. Look at those, are enormous. I love them. I don't think I have any bead caps that are truly that wide. Very cool. Some large pearls. These are acrylic, I think, and they have very large holes. I'm sure that's for doing the beads around the outside. And then we have some metallic purple rondelles. So this is the mini version of their newest wire wrapped bead making kit. Ooh. And I'll include links to their site. Those are affiliate links, and those help the lights stay on here at Turquoise.Street. So yeah, check them out. I'm super excited. So this all goes with the 2-part epoxy clays and the glitter. So this is making your own like boho beads. So we've got some cores, which are acrylic pearl bead making components from Lilah Ann Beads. And then we've got some grommets or eyelets that you're gonna put in. And then we have some bead caps and some more bead cores. So I'm guessing you form the clay around the outside of these beads, put the bead cap out. Now these are epoxy clay, so you're mixing the 2 parts together, and I don't think you need to bake them, but I'm gonna make sure that I read all of the, yep, no baking required. So that's pretty cool. If you're in a quicker, if you have less time than polymer clay allows. Oh, I love making beads. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much fun. And then we have an aqua set with blue. What are these? Okay, so that's what I thought these were. They're skewers for forming your beads. I'm so excited. You guys know I love making polymer clay beads, but having a new avenue to explore, oh my gosh, it's like floating my boat. And then look at this. These are all things that we can use as inclusions on the beads. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I honestly don't know what to do first, because we've still got like ready-made stuff too. If you're not interested in making your own beads, we've got ready-made strands. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this cup chain. So yes, this is made for the beads, or meant to be used with making beads, but you can just use it as cup chain too. I've never seen cup chain like that. It's just pink with pink rhinestones, or purple, I guess. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh, have you seen a more beautiful thing in your life? I know I'm a goober, but oh my gosh. And then we have light aqua beaded ball chain. This is to press into the clay. It's funny, I'm making a huge mess. Like, they had it so well packed. Hot pink, second favorite color. Light pink. You know, pink is one of my favorite colors. And then, oh, look at these little babies. I'm so excited to make these with you all. And then we have little cabochons. So some like opalite looking ones, some aqua. And then we have some rhinestones in a couple different colors. This is the best. Just love looking at this stuff. And then here is, I should have probably opened this first, boho bead making kit. So here are some examples of what we can do to make boho beads. I know that's probably a little grainy to you, but if you check out the link below, it'll link right to their website using my affiliate link. So then it tells you what to do. Comes with instructions. We're gonna end up doing some of these. Not in this video. I want to get through the 13 days of Halloween first, but we're going to definitely be doing some of these. And the last two things in the clay making kit were more bead cores, wow, bigger ones, and then these large bead caps. I love them. So if maybe you wanted to do a special boho bead and then you had your own other beads that you wanted to put around it, you could incorporate these extra bead caps too that way. Like maybe make your boho bead the focal and then bead up the sides. So exciting. Okay, so on to the ready-made stuff. I wanted to save that for last. We have a strand or two and a mix, and I'll go through the strands first. Let's see. Oh my, oh my, these are gorgeous. Look at this. That huge check glass flower with that A.B. So I don't know if it's coming across. It looks a little washed out. It looks a little washed out in my camera, but that's a really heavy Aurora Borealis or A.B. finish on that check glass piece. That's gorgeous. And then we have a lampwork, two really pretty lampwork beads. They're the shop that I got that huge lampwork glass haul from last year, I think, or maybe 2020. And then, oh, look at this one. That's a gorgeous strand. I mean, really, really, they did the work for you. I think we talked about this in another video. When these strands are this pretty, what do you have to do? This is periwinkle. That's one of my best friend's favorite colors too. Periwinkle and blue. And so we have a glass round, ooh, large hole. So that could go over some leather too. And then we've gotten like an opalite glass and then some nice spacers. My goodness, I am just in love. Look at that. And then this is a probably a handmade boho bead. They did say that all of their products, all of their ready to use products, so something like this is are truly handmade by real US artists. So this is made in the USA by a real person who's at home making these. Wonderful. That's beautiful. And then we have this strand. This one, I think it just says designer artisan beads. It doesn't have a name on it. So we've got a Shambhala bead. We've got a glass bead, some metal, another beautiful lampwork bead. That one's shades of purple. Look at these big beads. Oh my goodness, I'm dying. Look at these. Okay, so this is a clay bead. So that's what we'll be able to do using these products. And if you buy, like, if you want, you can buy them ready made, or you can make them yourself, make them customizable. This is gorgeous. This is a beaded bead, So this is metal wrapped. So that's like these, like this one's bigger though. And they used wire and seed beads to wrap a bead. Oh my gosh, that is so genius. I know I've seen that before, but like I never really thought about it. And now we have a kit to do it. I'm so excited. And then a beautiful aqua. They just knew that purple and blue was just gonna be a big hit on this channel. And then another one, I just can't believe there's two of these and two of the purple ones. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you, I love them both equally. I think I really love the one with the check glass, but they're both absolutely stunning. And then we have a mix. So this one is just a designer artisan bead mix. Let's pop into it. Cute little box. OMG. Doesn't this look like an everlasting gobstopper, doesn't it? Like, look at the shape. Oh my gosh, you could hurt somebody with that. I'm kidding, but it's so cute. Look how shiny it is. That just reminds me like of a birthday party or something, doesn't it? And then these are cool. These are ceramic bead caps embedded in the clay. So you see here, this kit had some of these components. We have the rhinestones and the ball chain. And this is kind of giving me ideas, you know, how many other things I have in this room that could be incorporated into this clay making bead kit. Oh, so cool. And then we have, these are wrapped. So they are, they have an eyelet, a bead underneath, and then wrapped. And I think these are using, I can't tell. I think these are using like monofilament. I don't really see wire, but I'm not quite sure. Those are gorgeous. And then we've got a Shambhala bead. This used to be my favorite color combo, this aqua and baby pink. Chef's kiss. Look at this one. So this is like a silver corrugated bead under there. And then I think that they use the monofilament on these. It's very similar to this one here. It's just a different color. So cool. Like this would fit in with a lot of my ethnic beads, but this would fit in with like a lot of my glass and happier, brighter beads, you know? Goodness. Okay, so what else is in here? So we got another one of these. What is this? Oh, it's a beaded bead. Okay, so now that's definitely out of my comfort zone. We've got some super duos in there, some check glass fire polish beads, some seed beads. So 2 different colors of super duos. I'm gonna have to ask Julie how the heck this is made because I think it's cool. But look at that. So you could hang it like that or use it in your project like that or as a spacer like that. So you'd see the turquoise here, but if you did it this way, you'd see the pink. Those are gorgeous. And then what else do we have? We had another one of these. 2 purple Shambhala beads. Another aqua Shambhala bead. These are cool. These are lampwork glass. They look like little jellyfish. Pink and blue. They did a really nice like coordinating little tiny mix here. We have some glass pearls. Little pink glass pearls. And then we have 4 aqua L.A.B check glass flowers. I love the mix of textures and different styles and types of beads. So we've got like rhinestone beads, we've got handmade beads, we've got check glass, we've got lampwork glass. My goodness. I'm excited. Are you excited? So let me tell you again, this Lilah Ann Beads, I'm an ambassador now with them. Hopefully, I'll be working with them for some time to come. And there is an affiliate link in the description below. If you see anything you like here, please use that so we can keep this channel going. And then yeah, tell me what you think. What was your absolute favorite thing you saw today? What are you excited about? My favorite is, I think, this strand and this bead right there was really cool. But I'm also super excited that now I have not just one, but two new ways to make beads, or new to me ways. I know they're not new, but ways that we haven't really explored on this channel. So let me know what you think. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. She does that with her foot to get me to scratch her. She's trying to get me to pet her. You're so bossy. You're so bossy. And you're like, why aren't you petting me, woman?